Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is just a quick video giving a demo of task 6. So if everyone's ready, let's get started. So here I am in the directory that's provided to us, and I've made the alterations to make it work. That's what you'll be doing. And as part of that as part of that directory, we have this package.json. In part, what this has is the node modules we need to install. So let's go ahead and install them. These are the node modules for the backend. So I divided the code into backend server and front-end server. There's a way of kind of combining them into one server. But for this exercise, I thought it's a little easier to do two. So let's just stick with the two approach. So if I do an ls here, you'll see that the node modules were indeed installed. And we have this front-end directory that was there before, but I just wanted to point out that this front-end directory obviously has the server for the front-end code. And I have a tab open for that, so let me go ahead and go there. And ls shows that I have a package.json file for that one. And I'm going to install those node modules. So again, I have two servers I'm going to run. One has the back end, one has the front end. I need to do it with two terminals, or the other approach would be to put something in the background, like start the back end server as a background task, and then you can start the front end. All right, so let me go back to that back end tab and get that started. So I'm just going to go node server, starting the back end server. And now let's quickly jump to the front end and get that going. All right, so in a second we'll have both running and it's looking good. All right, so that looks good. Let's take a look at the browser. So here I am at localhost 3000, and you see it's a fairly simple site. I've only designed the site to illustrate in a very simple way how persistence works, meaning how from page to page we can still maintain some sort of identity. We're going to be doing that with cookies. And just showing a method of getting started of how to save passwords safely. So in that case, we're hashing the passwords as explained in the videos related to that. So 3 pages, home, login, and register. Let's go ahead and register. I'm going to create a new user. Let's say Maggie, and put in a password. And your real name is Maggie. And I'm going to go for that. Okay, and what happens is when Maggie registers, she instantly gets logged in, and she sees kind of this secret, I don't know how secret it is, but just some news item. So this would be like if you have to subscribe to a newspaper online, and the only people that can see the articles are people logged in. I was just trying to come up with an example to find the simplest example possible, and this is what I landed upon and I'm going with. So that's Maggie. So let's go ahead and log her out. Now let's say I want to register again and use that same username. Here I get that error username taken. So that I want to see. So if someone is trying to register with the same username, we should get that message. All right, let's go ahead and log in with Maggie. Whoops, I typed in the password wrong, so I get this little prompt, password incorrect. Let's say I am trying to log in with a user that doesn't exist, like Maggie Z. It'll say username not found. Finally, let me log in correctly. And again, I'm taken to this news page. So when a person's logged in, that's persistent across pages. So if I go to home here, you'll see that Maggie is still there. If I use the back arrow, Maggie's still logged in. So it's persistent across pages that the person navigates to. So that's kind of the important aspect of persistence of using these cookies. So that's basically it. I think I covered all the possibilities here. I just wanted to keep things fairly simple, fairly short. And really what's important is the write-up, but I just wanted to illustrate what the final product would look like. So that's it. Thanks so much. Take care. Good luck on all the coding. Bye.